Navigating pre-existing conditions in the Spanish public healthcare system. Welcome to Spainguru. Does the Spanish public healthcare system cover pre-existing conditions? Additionally, we'll discuss the healthcare access for those registering as Autónomo under a new visa. Let's dive into what you should know. First off, Spain's public healthcare system is renowned for its inclusivity and comprehensive coverage. This brings us to our first question: coverage of pre-existing conditions. The Spanish public healthcare system does cover pre-existing conditions. This means that once you are in the system, you should have access to necessary treatments for any conditions you had before joining, without additional charges or long waiting periods, specifically because of the condition's pre-existing nature. Second, accessing healthcare as Autónomo. If you register as Autónomo or self-employed, you gain access to public healthcare system as part of your social security contributions. These contributions are mandatory and cover not just your healthcare, but also other benefits like pensions and unemployment. According to feedback from our community members, once your Autónomo registration is complete and you've had your TIE, or Tarjeta de Identidad Extranjero, fingerprinting done, you can access healthcare relatively quickly. You can download a certificate of entitlement and take this to your local health center to register. And now let's have a look at some practical tips. Timing. Be aware that the process of getting your TIE and registering as Autónomo can take some time, especially with possible delays in fingerprinting appointments, which vary by region. Now about private insurance. While waiting for full access to public healthcare, some expats choose to maintain private health insurance. This can be particularly useful for covering specific needs not immediately available through public healthcare, or for faster access to certain types of specialists or procedures, even after being fully covered by the Spanish public system. And about navigating it. If you're moving to Spain with a pre-existing condition, it's advisable to research thoroughly or speak to a healthcare advisor who can provide guidance based on your specific health needs. This will ensure that you have the necessary coverage and understand how to navigate the healthcare system effectively once you arrive. In conclusion, Spain's public healthcare system covers pre-existing conditions, and registering as Autónomo provides a pathway to access this system, but be aware of delays and getting access. Planning and understanding the administrative processes involved are key to a smooth transition to living and working in Spain. Oh, and one more thing. Apparently YouTube says you're gonna love watching this video right here. I think you should watch it.